Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Just Miss J. So I figured I would share what I just received in the mail with you guys. So Telfar came out with medium sized bags, and when I saw it I was like, ooh, I want that, because I've seen the small in person because one of my cousins have one, and I was like, that is too small for me to use as a crossbody, and I was like, that ain't gonna work. And then I have a Telfar bag already, but I have the blue large one, and it is large. Like, it looked like an overnight bag, and that's pretty much what I can use it for. So when I saw the Shmediums, I was like, let's get this Shmedium bag and see if I can use it as a crossbody. So when it came out the day, I think they released them like the day before my birthday, which was November 29th. So on my birthday, I ordered 2 Shmedium bags. So I got a green one and an orange one. So I'm going to show that to you now. So the bags, they come with the little traditional little plastic bag, and of course the dust bag. And like I said, this one is orange. And my large bag, it came in a dust bag too. But yeah. And I carry that one, but I use it to travel really. I don't carry this everyday bag. Come on out, orange. Okay. So this is the orange Shmedium bag. It's bright. Like, it's definitely bright. Yeah, but it's not that big, and I can definitely see myself wearing this as a crossbody. When I use it, I will insert pictures or clip a video clip or something of me with it on, how long it hangs. But from what I've seen on the Telfar site or other girlies on TikTok who already had this medium bag because they went to the store and bought it, it doesn't hang as long as the medium, which I don't have a medium one, but I think I'm gonna reorder my blue one in medium because I kind of like that one as an everyday purse because it's blue, and I feel like blue go with everything. But this orange one, I'm planning to carry this one today. So I'm not even gonna put that one back in the dust bag. I'm gonna leave that one out. And then, like I said, I got a green one, a dark olive. That's what color this one is. So like I said, it comes in a little Telfar plastic, and of course in the dust bag. Hopefully I'm not struggling to take this one out the dust bag. Ooh, I like this one. And yeah, so yeah, I like the olive. It ain't bad. It's cute. I could actually wear it with what I got on now, but I like this one. I wish I would have had the other one before my birthday. I wish I would have had an orange before my birthday to wear with my clothes for Thanksgiving. But yeah, that's my unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with any and everyone. Also, don't forget to go and check out my sister's channel, Naturally Kimmy, and follow her on all her socials, which is in her profile on her page. I don't really have socials that are related to my YouTube page. They're all personal, so I kind of have not decided how I want to do that yet. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with any and everyone. Hit that notification bell because I have no schedule. That was just my stuff falling. I have no schedule, and you never know when I'm going to post. And so also be on the lookout for a video that me and my sister did, and we're also going to come together and do another video. But yes, I'll see you guys and talk to you guys later because now I'm rambling. Bye.